Hey guys, so welcome to this unboxing for a Thermos Ultimate Flask. Yeah, I bought this direct from Thermos. You can get 10% off your first order, but I naturally ordered it and then forgot to enter a coupon code. You get that code by signing up to their email mailing list. So this, so basically I did want a flask that would fit into my your thingy in my car, the cup holder. This I think it might be slightly too big. There's two measurements, 7.2 wide and I think 6.4 wide, and my cup holder I think is about 7 centimeters wide. So yeah, I'm just going to take that out. That's the so this is the Ultimate Flask, 500 milliliters, and it comes with a flask pouch, which they're ripping me off of £5 for that one. Thermos from £15. There's something on there, some kiddie stuff there. If you're into kids, that sound a bit dodgy. Save the kids, save lives, whatever. Okay, and here we have it's kind of stuffed in the bag. This is the sheath for it. It's like a little, I guess it might keep it warmer. I don't think it would it? A little travel pouch, quite good quality. Has like a tyre smell to it. It's like a little sheath. It's quite thin. Stay hot, stay cool. Ultimate Flask pouch, custom made for the pouch. You got a little clip-on thing there as well. Pretty cool. So you can clip that onto your belt or something if you're going hiking, dogging, whatever floats your boat. So that's the main thing there, and all you've got is packaging in there. So here's the main attraction of the video. This is the Ultimate Flask. Yeah. Strange, it's sort of in a little wind up thing there. A little bit of padding there, that's useful. Yeah, it's already feeling like it's a quality product. Nice rubberized there. It feels like you could just chuck this against the wall and well, maybe that. And does this come off? This will obviously might make it fit. Yeah, it comes off easily. Yeah, it's just a little thing there. So I'm not sure how long it is. So I've got the tape measure out. So let's see if it is kind of roughly what the size of it is. That is, yeah, that's about 6.8, 6.9 centimeters. There you go. So if I clip it on there, you can kind of see it. Roughly about 6.6, isn't it? 6.7. This is probably about one millimeter out, so probably about 6.8, 6.9. So yeah, this should fit into my cup holder in my van. That'd be good. So one of the reasons why I got this was that it keeps heat in for 24 hours apparently, as it says there. 24-hour hot, 24-hour cold, stay hot, stay cool. Made in Leeds, well, probably made in China. Not sure where it says where it's made in. Dishwasher safe, that's good. I have heard that the paint on these peel off if you put it in the dishwasher. That's the exterior paint. Well, I'm hoping there's no paint inside. Thermos mask hashtag. So yeah, let's see if we can figure out how this opens up. Yeah. So this is the cup. It's not a very big cup, but it's got a kind of a grip thing there. So, I mean, that does feel like it will just grip on most surfaces. Probably handy if you're on a pebbled, stony location or whatever. Here's the flask here. So that's the lid there. Rubberized thing there. Doesn't feel particularly nothing, all plasticky, nothing special. Yeah. You see that there's like a, what does that say? FFX1. Yeah, great. And I don't know if this comes off as well. It does seem quite narrow for cleaning. It's like an inch there. And you could probably get a smallish brush head thing down there. You can get a like bottle cleaner or whatever. Something else in there. It's probably silica gel or something. Piece of paper's in there. There you go. Does this come off? I guess that comes off. Let's read the instructions first. You can download this as a PDF on their website. Thermos. Care and use guide, vacuum insulate stainless steel flask, Thermos logo. General use. Clean it. All parts are dry completely. Yeah, I think I had a cheapo flask like 15 years ago which rusted. So you might want to just leave everything open. So there you go. So you got the main flask, that bit there, flask A, B, C. Remove lid. That's the lid. Wash all parts separately. B. What's B? That's the pour stopper. C is the fill container. So I guess that's, yeah, this this is the I don't know, fill bit. Anyway, so you could probably get a, I mean, it's a flask. It's not NASA. There you go. Do not drink directly from container. Do not put up your bottom. Got it. Limited warranty, and I think you get 2 years. For 5 years from the date of original purchase. So keep your receipts, and I would actually make a note in my diary. Actually, that's what I'm going to do, is make a note in my diary for 4 years and I don't know, 4 years and 11 months and 2 weeks or whatever. Check it out. You know, will I still be here? Who knows? The old Great Reset. Go fuck yourself. There you go.